Hello, everyone. Today we are going to deal with the app with which we can register and buy crypto. So we are dealing with Roqqu and Remitano. For Roqqu, click the link in the description of this video or in our Telegram channel or WhatsApp group. It will take you to the Play Store. Once you get to the Play Store, download Roqqu. Once you've downloaded the app, then click the app and open it. Once you open your app, click sign up and then you're going to see this. Make sure this agreement option is ticked. Once it's ticked, you can touch get started or you just touch your personal details, and then you're going to have this. Fill in your first name, last name, your email address, and then your username, and then ensure you tick the I agree that I'm 18 years old or older. So you tick it this way, and then before you proceed. So it will scan your username. Once it is available, you will see it this way. So click take the agreement and then click continue. Then a code will be sent to your email address. Get the code. Once that is done, it will ask for your phone number. Type in your phone number. Click continue. A code will be sent to your phone number. Get the code. Once this is done, you will be asked for your referral user's name. Simply type FEEME. So this is the referral code you're going to put there, and then click continue. Now you have to create a password. So and look at the criteria: one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, a number, and a special character. Once you type in your password, click continue. Then you are going to see proceed, personal details verified, proceed. Now, once you get here, it's going to ask you to complete verification. So click continue process and then click the second option, create PIN. So we are going to create a PIN. Now you will be asked to confirm the PIN. Now, once the PIN has been confirmed, click explore Roqqu. You can choose to allow notification or not. So let me allow it, push notification. Then, okay, when you see this option, allow while using the app, choose the first option. Now, once you get here, your account is ready, but it's not just ready. You can choose to take the quiz to know if you have an understanding of crypto, but that is not important now. So we are going to scroll up and then you are going to see complete your profile. You can see it's showing 0/3. So there are 3 steps to take. So click finish up. The first step is your personal details. So now you are going to put your date of birth. So you click it and you have this option. So the first thing is to come here, touch the year and choose the year you want to choose. After choosing your date of birth, you click continue. And then what is your occupation? You can choose employed, self-employed. So let us choose, for instance, if you are a student, choose I'm a self-employed. Click continue. Then you are told to what is your expected annual income. Then click this to choose your currency. You are choosing this. Choose Naira. After choosing Naira, scroll up and choose your income. You can see less than 1 million, low income. So let us choose low income, whatever you want to choose. Whatever is your option, choose. Once you have chosen that, click continue. Then you are going to be asked for your date, your state. So once you have chosen your street, click continue. That is done. Continue. Now we come back to this. You can see we have finished first step. We come back to click finish up again. Then choose the second option, which is usage and preferences. And this time around, we are going to choose what we want to use this app for. We are going to use it as an exchange, to do transfers, to do swaps, to do buy and sell. You can do trading and cards. Where if you want to take loans, also if you have business and want to be using it for payment links, you can also do the same. So let us, for instance, you can put payment link. I just select everything. Investment, we are choosing 1, 2, 3. Then global spending, overseas transfer, and foreign exchange. Then I'll click continue. Then all done. Then the last one is click verify. Then you have to select your country. It will automatically detect your country. After that, you can see Taiwan. Your transfer limit will be increased to $30,000. Then if you want to do Type 2, you can touch it and see your limit will be increased to $100,000, and Type 3 will be increased to $500,000. So that will be your but let us begin with Taiwan. What is needed in Taiwan? Click get started. And then what is needed is your BVN, your bank verification details, then a selfie. Click continue. Then it will show your name to be sure that your name is correct. After showing if your name is correct, the next thing is you will be asked to enter your BVN. Once you input your verification code, then click continue. It will prompt you to take a selfie, then click take selfie. Click allow while using the app. Then follow the instructions like turning your face to the left, to the right, smile, whatever you're asked to do, just follow the instructions. So as you can see, identity verification successful. Click continue. That's all we need. So you can see our BVN and legal name, everything complete. So you can decide to do order to increase your limit. If you want to increase your limit, you can see we have Taiwan. You can see Type 2 document verification. If you want to increase your limit, you can do that. But for Taiwan, you can see your limit is transfer limit is $30,000. So if you want to increase it to $100,000 or to $500,000, you do the other verification. But just this first verification, it's okay. So this is all we need to start using your Roqqu account to trade, to sell, to buy your crypto.